Alright, now we're going to feed it to the baby bird.
Oh, it's so cute.
Flies, so we just caught it.
It thinks you're not feeding him because his mouth's not. Oh, there's mouth.
Okay. I'm dipping it in water so I can swallow it easier.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Did he just swallow it? Is it gone?
Yeah, swallowed it.
Oh my gosh. That's incredible. Let's do another one.
Okay. That was the biggest one, the fat one.
More.
We're also feeding it wet chicken food.
Yeah, we have chicken, so we soak it in water.
His name is Tina.
His name is not Tina.
It's Tina.
It's July.
It's Tina.
It's a boy.
It's Tina. Tina can be a boy name.
It's not very much. So the two little ones.
Did he eat it?
Still my finger.
Come on, get in there.
Oh.
Ate him. He likes it.
Oh.
He really likes fruit flies.
By the way, we have this lamp on him.
Good, we have compost, so it's going to be really easy to get lots of these. Is that fruit fly? Oh, yeah.
There's 10 in there.
Well, there's not 10 anymore. Oh, hey, I just blew out 2.
Feed him both of them. He's like...
They have to get wet so we can swallow them.
Fat.
He's a little bit fat.
He's just healthy.
He's fluffy.
He's definitely
Even
fat.
though his skin is see-through and he's got hardly any feathers.
Oh,
He's
he
fun.
likes it. Oh, I'm so happy that we found a bug
Feed him with your
source.
finger.
Did he get him?
Oh, wait, there's still 2 in my hand. 2 in my finger.
He's like, what are you thinking of? I want some food.
8.
Did he eat it?
Yeah, did like it. Come on, little guy.
I'm not done feeding you.
He's sleepy.
He's like, I'm too tired. You're not going to feed me right
It
now.
is close to 9. Hey, come on.
His wings look like worms.
No. Hey.
He did not eat any of them.
Take it off there.
He doesn't know if he did.
Put it on a different finger. Maybe, oh.
It's in his mouth. Look, there's 2 little bugs in his mouth.
Close your mouth.
Eat it. I'll try to get some more.
Give him some chicken food.
I'll give him a little bit of that.
Maybe you should feed him right before you go to sleep.
I do. And
I mean, like you're done. Look, Ori, he's really sleepy.
Okay, then I'll hurry up.
Oh, he's so tired. Look.
He's cute.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
One.
he
He's
didn't
still
swallow
got
it.
in his mouth. Give him some water to wash it
He
down.
does need some water, baby.
Yeah, I'll give him some
I'll
of
go
this.
get a little bit of water.
This is mashed up chicken food. Pellets.
Has protein.
And it's all watery.
Nom, nom, nom.
Come on. I think if he knew you were a human, he might not want to.
That's true.
Oh, here's some water.
What's that? Put it in
It's
here.
water. What the heck?
Ugh.
Use my water. I got you water for a reason.
Oh my god. Now he has to sleep in that.
Oh, Ori! It's not funny.
You'll live.
That is not funny. What are you doing?
Watch an orange drop.
Come on.
I think that's...
I need to grab
You
that.
need something smaller that beside your finger, like a small little stick.
We have a syringe.
Okay.
But it doesn't work very well.
This thingy.
It does work.
Quit flopping your mouth around.
And if it was slightly soupier,
What the
you
heck?
could just droop it in.
Eden, that's too much water. You doesn't need that much.
Oh,
I
shoot.
think he does want water.
It's one in my eye.
Put some water in there.
There, here you go.
Okay. I'll give him some water. I can't.
Does he
put
still have the
food
bugs in
into
his
this.
mouth?
Yeah, he does.
Oh, he loves it.
Okay, I put a little water in. Well, I think I
Drowning.
can probably put some bugs in this.
I don't know if you can tell, but he's peeping like crazy. He's got a bug on his lip. Excuse me, do you want a napkin?
Is that
see.
the bird smell? Is that
Does
a
he need a
foul bird
napkin?
smell?
Ew, there's so much poop in there.
He does have a bug,
How
right?
do they clean the poop out in the real
They
nest?
eat it. Can you sit down?
One, that's not gonna work.
I'm putting some fruit flies in some water. So when it drinks this water, it gets some food.
I think he probably already ate enough. Look,
This is
he
not
can't
like
even eat it.
Thanksgiving.
Look. There's a bug, right?
There's like 2 bugs. It's like,
Let's be done, you guys.
look at the little butthole. It's like beep beep beep. I like weird conversations. I'm okay.
One. I think we're done, honey.
It's not.
He
It's
didn't
sleep.
get fed that much.
It's fine. It ate like more food than I did today.
Look, he fell over. He's so full.
He's really exhausted.
Okay.
All right,
Go to
He
sleep.
can hardly
He's
breathe.
fat.
He's so.
Good night, Tina.
His name's Shy.
His name
She,
is
I don't know.
Tina. No. No. No.
Okay, good night, sweet birdie.
Oh, dang it. That just woke it up.